Good evening, friends. Friends, one of my subscriber commented that please explain about vendor reconciliation in English. That's why I'm here to explain the concept of vendor reconciliation. I hope this video will be useful to so many users which are working in accounting industry as well as if they are student of commerce. Friends, what is vendor? Vendor, basically understand the meaning vendor. Vendor from vendor, it means that a person from where we have purchased goods, we have taken services from them and we have to pay them, we have to pay amount to them. It means supplier is known as vendor. We can use those word as a substitute, that if you are using supplier or if you are using vendor, both are same. From where the person who are supplying goods to you, the person who provided services to you, that person known as supplier or that person known as vendor. Now what is the need to do vendor reconciliation? Reconciliation means the matching of two books of account or matching of two records. It is called reconciliation. Now vendor reconciliation is very important task in accounting field or in accounting job. If you can do vendor reconciliation, then you can say that you can work in vendor management field, or you can control on vendor or suppliers payment. Now friends, question arises why we should do vendor reconciliation. Now let us suppose that your vendor, your supplier asking to you that I need 10 lakh rupees because I have supplied to you around approx 10 lakh value of goods value. Now your books of account saying that no, I have to pay only 5 lakh rupees. There is a difference of 5 lakh. Now the someone who has already supplied you the goods value of rupees 10 lakh, and now you are speaking that no, I am ready to pay you only 5 lakh. Now the question arises, where the difference of that 5 lakh, why it comes? That the reason, we have to find the reason of that differences of 5 lakh. That difference is known, that process to find that difference, that process known as vendor reconciliation. The process which can help us to find out the difference of 5 lakh rupees. Now that process known as vendor reconciliation. That is the basic concept of vendor reconciliation. If you are able to find the difference between two books, it means that you are able to do vendor reconciliation job. Now the question arises that what kind of circumstances or situation where the both our two books of account of vendor and books of account of ourselves, there is a difference. What kind of situation, what kind of circumstances arise when this kind of difference create? Let us say example that they have supplied you goods value of rupees 10 lakh and they have issued you around 50 bills against the value of 10 lakh. Now when you compare your books from that ledger of supplier, now you found that we have booked only 30 bills. There is a missing of 20 bills that they have issued those 20 bills, but we have not recorded in our books. That's why this is the difference creates. If you are ready to do that entry of those 20 bills, then you can find that my differences comes very low. Suppose that those 20 bills have value of around rupees 3 lakh. Now you found that there is difference of 3 lakh just because of missing bill entry. Now we have to do entry of those bills. Now again still 2 lakh differences are pending to find out. Now just we have to think that first scenario, that they have issued bills but we have not considered our books. Now the what kind of second scenario can cause difference between two books of account? Suppose that they have issued bills to you according to their supplier, according to their supplies of goods. Now you found that in some bills they have not supplied you goods as a that kind of quality parameter which you required, and in that case you have issued a debit note. You have issued a debit note to them that I am not going to pay against this debit note. Earlier I discussed that what is debit note. Debit note means if you are issuing debit note to supplier, it means that you are doing creditors to debit, and creditors nature is credit, and you are doing creditors to debit. It means that you are reducing your liability value, and you found that you have entered 5 debit notes, and those 5 debit notes they have not considered in their books, and those 5 debit notes value around 1 lakh rupees. Now you can say to them, please book those 5 debit notes also, so that our books and your ledger can match. Now we understood that there is 2 differences. First one is they have issued bills to us but we have not recorded in our books, and second one is we have issued debit note but they have not considered in their books of account. Now still there is something differences left. Now we have to think what kind of situation where we can find these differences. Sometimes suppose that you have made payment, but those payment either they have not received or they have not booked those payment in their books of account. Suppose that you have issued check in favor of that supplier, and that check is still pending for clearance, and you have already deducted that deducted ledger of supplier, and the supplier is asking to you that we have not received this payment. Then why you have considered in your books? That is the first scenario. And second one is that supplier also received payment. You have made payment, supplier also received payment, but they have not considered that payment in their books of account. Now you can say to them, please consider this payment in your books of account so that our books can be reconciled. Friends, basically the concept of vendor reconciliation is to find out the difference between our books and supplier's book. And this is a very important task. If you are not doing vendor reconciliation and you are working in vendor management accounting, or you are doing vendor accounting, that means that your accounting is not complete, because after vendor reconciliation we got to know that this kind of bills are still pending for entry in our accounts. These debit notes are still pending to book, pending booking. This kind of debit notes are pending for booking by suppliers. So usually most of the companies follow quarterly vendor reconciliation so that they get books of account complete. And if you do not do vendor reconciliation, it means that you are creating less creditor in your books of account. You are creating problem in clearance of vendor payment. That's why it is very important task. So I hope I have tried my best to explain you about vendor reconciliation. In case if still something query left in your mind, then you can comment in comment section and I will try to explain that query also. See you friends in next video with some unique concept and with practical problem. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please request you to please subscribe my channel, because it can work like as motivation for myself that I am doing something good for you all, and I can explore my industry experiences with you also, as well as I can teach you whatever you want related commerce. Thank you friends. See you very soon in next video.